Welcome to another Booking Koala tutorial. If you don't have Booking Koala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about Booking Koala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with Booking Koala. Today we're diving into Booking Koala's online booking system and learning how to ensure accurate availability for your providers. Start by clicking on the Providers tab and selecting the provider you want to set up. Then go to the Schedule tab at the top of the screen. Select Default Availability from the Change Availability menu. A window will appear showing each day of the week. To add a new work time, click the blue Add Shift button, choose the day, and enter the start and end times. You can apply this shift to multiple days by clicking the blue Add button and selecting the days. Once you're done, click the green Apply button. You'll see the shifts added for the selected days. To remove a shift, just click the red X button. You can also adjust the start and end times for any day, ensuring that AM and PM are set correctly. If there are no bookings affected, you will see a green Apply button. And that wraps up our tutorial on ensuring accurate availability in Booking Koala's online booking system. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, remember to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up so we can provide you with more tutorials just like this one. I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the next video.